Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 12 by 12 inch canvas, some deco art, white pearl, and I'm going to do something I've always wanted to do, starting with getting that lump of whatever it was out of there. Just going to go willy-nilly. This is deco art Americana 24 karat gold. I figure if I've got white spaces left at the end and I want black, I'll add black to them. This is pink diamond. And orange crush. I've got a color mixed up from Modern Masters Amethyst, and I added some Purely Pigments eggplant. I've got indigo teal, which is kind of loose and a vivid intense, but I want to try it anyway. And I'm going to use it with cerulean blue, which may or may not have any effect. Who knows? What else have I got? I've got water lily, but it's closed. I don't want to open it right now. I've got Rhapsody Rose. I've got marooned, but I want something much lighter. I've got periwinkle. Let's put some marooned up there with it. I expect if I see the colors, there'll be something that'll call to me. Let's try the Whispering Wisteria. I think I want some saffron. I know what's missing. It's the Fandango. Come on. And I just mixed up some wintergreen that I hadn't had for a long time, and I really liked it, so I'm going to use some of that. Might be something else coming too. Maybe some Midnight Shadow. Or I've got Payne's Gray. There's my Midnight Shadow. Which definitely needed a shake. I want something much more pink, and I've got it in my Miami Magenta. I definitely want to try the tweezers and the water lily. Although I think red violet is really similar, and I might have mixed up a batch of it. I'm just not 100% sure what I did with it, because I changed bottles, and that's an issue sometimes. I've got a little bit. I might want some yellow. I'm thinking yellow. I know. This yellow orange that I love so much. I'm sure that's going to make green down there. Now I've got a stainless steel spatula and some swipe cards. And I think I ought to grab a dish. As long as it doesn't stick to everything. So I have a way to drip over. I'm going to just put some black down, and it's open, just to see how it goes. I've got Snapdragon too. There we go. This is a color I'm about to mix more of. Maybe I'll just take the top right off. Hopefully we don't lose the marble inside. Come out to play. Please. I had it on its side forever. It's not happening. I guess I better give up. Maybe some, that's a better color than that. That's a great color. Alright, we'll just make do without it. Unless I find something. I've got a deep amethyst. Mixed with some other things. It's a custom color. I'm going to try the white first. Wow. Maybe I'll go for white and black. I'm just going to keep scraping that on the edge. I'm going to use, as soon as I get it open, the Dancing Fuchsia and the Cobalt Turquoise. I want some more yellow, or maybe some yellow period. This looks like a project that could probably use an edge catcher, but I haven't prepared for that. And I've got ginger flower. Let's take that to the next level. I'm going for the Dancing Fuchsia. Looks really runny. Now I can still use my cards. And I could probably still move some paint around. I just need a paintball skewer. You'd think there'd be plenty of them. Just fill in my gap. I think I like that gold there. And I have small acetate tools that are good for spreading paint in tight spaces. Also good to spread the cell activator. I maybe put down more paint than I needed. So I'm inclined to steal some. Which is something I usually do for blooms. Since I haven't done a bloom in a long time, this will have to work. I'm really inclined. Let's see where this goes, and if I've got an edge catcher, I'll use it. Because there's so much paint, I'm in a good position if I want to swipe more. But I do like to move the paint right down. The only problem with that is then I have no finger holds. Which we'll have to put up with. I'm hoping it'll stretch some of the cells out. I see that big patch of cerulean blue, and I want to put white cell activator in there. But this is actually rolling down pretty well. Go a lot faster if I were to tip it first faster. Let's push all that right back on. So far so good. Trying to make a composition out of a spontaneous pattern is interesting at best. You know what? Come on. I've got a spatula, but I kind of like to use this paint. I like the black cells up at the top. I'm trying to get in position to take my paint off my edge catcher. There's no reason I can think of not to use it. Take a little more. Might have to use something else. To fill it in. Got pretty paint on my paddle. Stainless steel palette knife. Which I could blow around maybe. Nice thing about the brown that I make is it's always bronze because I always use metallics. Alright, I'm not done yet. Acetate tool. Do some more black and white. I like that better. That's cool. I might want a little more even. Where do I want it the most? I think right up through here. I might just go for it. Why not? Oh, the other side wants to go too. Maybe I'll start there. I wasn't too sure about that wintergreen at first. This is more dancing fuchsia. Which I did not count on. That green staying so green. I've got extra paint. I'm going to give it a try. It's funny, I see a little canvas showing through. I grab another skewer, throw a few spirals in. I don't know, it definitely seemed like enough paint, too much. I want some orange, I don't see any. I like that better. Not sure which way is up, but I'm pretty sure I like it. Sometimes there's little gaps and you can just stuff your finger right in there. I like the white. It makes me want to pull out maybe that intense white. Just put some in. Where else? I'll have to modify it. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.